Hey, social media family, welcome back to another grocery haul. This is going to be our first grocery haul in our new location. I'm super excited to have went grocery shopping today. I just grabbed a couple of things that was in my budget, just something to eat for the next couple of days, y'all. So we're just gonna get into that. I'm hungry. I'm a little out of breath. Behind the scenes, it's hot, and I don't want the lights on. Like I have some really good natural lighting when I open that window back. So I don't need no light on. It's cooking back here. But so that's why I kind of give like a little darkish tint. You all, we good. But yeah, I got them lights off, baby. It's cooking in here. I'm not gonna turn it around. So look, this yogurt was on sale for 53 cents. It doesn't expire until like the next couple of weeks, maybe, or a couple of days. I'm about to boom this. So that's why I got all of these. I'm probably gonna put them in a big container, mix them all up and different things like that. Probably put some chia seeds in there, or I might just leave them in here. Throw some chia seeds on there. I forgot the fruit because their fruit was ugly, but got some yogurt. This is a great yogurt. I think it's no milk. It doesn't have any taste or anything. This one of them plain, heavy, thick, nasty yogurts, but it's really good for you because it has that yeast and that good bacteria. That's a good yogurt. I got a little slice of watermelon. I got some bread back there for my hot dogs and maybe some jelly sandwiches or something. Um, just some seasonings. Y'all know I don't like to use salt. I do got a seasoning salt up there though. But that might be there for the next 20 years. But a couple of seasonings, my butter. Say hi, babe. That's the butter I like to use. I got this because I've been wanting something hot and spicy. They're coming out with a lot of like no antibiotic organic sausages. These are really good and they're very affordable, and they are big, so they get me full. So this is the first time I've seen this in a box. This is my first time using this brand, but there is another brand that y'all been seeing me use, like the chicken, and has like cranberry and all of that stuff. So these are going to be some organic sausages. I've been loving the taste of these, so I'm giving these a try. I'm about to make some tacos. I don't feel like frying no shells, y'all. It's too hot. This milk here, good milk. Red onion, avocado, garlic. They had the Kroger had a good sale today. They had a great sale today. Some tangerine juice. I never had tangerine juice. Some orange and pineapple juice on sale. Look, on sale. Everything is still fresh. Taco seasoning. They had cheese on sale, 3 for $7. I got me some Saratoga. I've been looking for that. They came out with a Saratoga sparkling. I don't care for that. I just want the still. So the still is the water, apple cider vinegar, some honey just for a couple of things, baking soda for a couple of things, and that is almost all in here. Like I said, great sale, great sale. I didn't even know they had organic bacon till today. I knew I wanted some bacon, and when I went in there, these was the last 4 packs. I got these. These are not expired yet. But they'll be fine once I put them in the freezer. So I got bacon for days. I don't even eat that much bacon, but I got them because they're organic. They're on sale. Got some shrimp, and y'all know I love me some chicken gizzards. The chicken gizzards are always this cheap. Chicken gizzards are always like no more than $2. And I got some lean turkey. So this is all what I have for our grocery haul for now. I'm about to get ready to. I kind of wanted to do breakfast, but now I'm kind of going for tacos. I'm gonna go for tacos. Um, y'all stay tuned. I might, cause I'm hungry. I'm a little tired. I need to detox my mind, my body, my attitude. Look, we might come back for tacos for dinner. If not, we'll just have this grocery haul. So thank you for stopping by. I love you. God bless you, and I will talk to you in the next grocery haul video.